Want to unlock a world of amazing games on your phone? Let's dive into how to open APK files within the Taptap app, the ultimate hub for discovering and installing awesome mobile games. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed the Taptap app on your device. Find it in your app store or through a web search. Now open the Taptap app. Once inside, you'll see a vast library of games. Navigate through the interface. Explore different categories, search for specific titles, or browse trending games. Find a game you want to download. Let's say you found a game that's not directly available on your regular app store. Taptap often offers the direct download of game files. Locate the download button, which often looks like an arrow pointing downwards. Tap on the button, the download will begin, and you'll see its progress on the screen. Once the download is complete, you'll likely be prompted to install the APK file. This prompt might ask for permission to install apps from unknown sources. If so, follow the instructions on your screen to enable this setting. This permission is required as the app is not downloaded from the usual app store. After enabling and consenting to necessary permissions, tap the install button to proceed with the game's installation. The installation process will begin. And again, you will see a progress bar showing the app being installed to your device. Be patient, as the installation might take a few moments. Once the installation finishes, you will see an open button. Press that button to launch the game or click on the game's icon on your home screen. Congrats! You've successfully opened an APK file through the Taptap app, and you're all set to start playing. Enjoy the games and explore the awesome world of gaming Taptap has to offer. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.